Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please share, like and subscribe. And if you're a returning member, I just want to say thank you very much. So today I'm going to teach you how to extract the banga milk from the banga palm nuts, so that you can use it to prepare any kind of food you want to prepare. First of all, we have to pick any kind of dirt that are in it. You can see some of these things now. You have to pick them out. After picking them out, you now take the banga palm nut to the sink to wash before you now put on the fire to boil. So let's go. So I'm washing the palm fruits now to remove any kind of dirt in it. After washing and everything is out, I will now put in the pot and take to the fire to boil. You know it is cooked when you press and the skin comes out easily. I'm adding the water now. You have to allow the water to be on top of the palm fruit so that it will touch every part and they will be cooked very well. You can see the water is covering the palm fruits now. So I'll allow it to boil. After like 30 minutes, I'll come and check to see if the skin can come out of the kernels easily. Then you know it is okay. Then you bring and start the processing. So it's past 30 minutes. So I want to open the pot to see if it is cooked. You can see it's boiling. So I'm taking out one seed to check. Yeah, you can see it has cooked. So I'm putting out the fire. Then let me go start pounding. You can see that the skin is out of the palm kernel. In doing this, if you don't have mortar and pestle, you can put the palm fruits after boiling in a pot and use a clean bottle to pound it. It will still come out like this. Or you can even get a big custard bucket, put it inside and use a bottle to heat it, or any hard objects that can take the skin out of the palm kernel. It will come out. You can see what I'm doing now. You can see now that the skin is all out. So now I'm going to add water to this and then stir it so that the water will come out, the milk will come out completely. Then we can get our palm oil to cook anything. You can use to cook onubu soup or ha soup, or you can even cook banga soup. So this is it. So I'm adding water now.
That's so cool.
I'm adding cold water, so because I'm going to put my hand. I'm going to use cold water. But when you're putting your hand in it, you can add hot water to bring it out. You can see the palm milk. You can see that our palm milk is out. And this palm fruit is very good because it's coming out with good palm milk. You can see. You don't have to add too much water because if you do, the milk becomes watery and it will take longer time to boil. So you can see. So I'll now turn it into a sieve. I'll turn it into a sieve and a bowl under so that the palm fruit will be poured into it. When you do it the first time, you still have some good liquid in. You pour it in back into the mortar or into your bowl, whatever you are using. Then add some more water and rinse thoroughly. You can see this other water now is not too thick like the first one. So it tells you that it has fully been washed very well. You turn it in the sieve again. You can see. You can see what we got. Our milk. So we are good to go with anything. Oha soup, onubu soup, banga rice, banga stew, anything. We are done. Thank you for staying with me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share.